we have the battle of the Titans. We have the battle of the two Springer Spaniels. On the left side we have Chester, who's got good footing on the floor, and Opie is got sidetracked by something there. Opie's got his grip again, and the two are nose to nose, and it's gone over to Opie's side, is winning a little bit. Never mind the announcer, just tug-o-war. Go! Go! And they're off, and Chester's pulling as hard as he can, and gets him over to the end of the court, and now Opie is weakening. Opie is weakening. Oh, and Chester throws a head whip by Chester. At least Opie is no longer using his paws and getting yellow cards. And now there's a lot of voicing, a lot of grunting going on here. A little bit of a tactic, I think, to throw some... and I don't know who's yelping here. I think that might be Opie's. Yelping a little bit at Chester to scare him a little bit. And Chester's responding with his own growl. And Chester's pulling him off into the corner. And I think Opie's out of steam. Opie's out of steam because Chester's getting him further over on in the court. Never mind the announcer, just tug, go. Yep, and a little bit of rest there, and they're back at it. And Opie's got Chester trick him a little bit. He got him over to the side, and now Chester's regained the lead and has pulled him over. And Opie, you've lost. Chester is the winner because Opie let go. Sorry, Opie, you lost. Okay. You're not a very good loser, are you? Watch the feet. You're going to get a red card.